Hey everyone, I'm Sana and you're watching Sana Vogue. So, in this video, I'm gonna tell you about why I didn't upload any video since January from this year 2024. Before that, I active in my social media, YouTube and Instagram. In December only, I shown some dedication for my YouTube channel. That's why I uploaded a daily shorts. If you are following from long time means you really know about how I upload my videos. In January first week also I uploaded a couple of shorts. After that I stopped. In January second week, actually my mom passed away. So I don't know how to say this. Still I'm not able to say it on camera. So on that time I felt like I am the only one in the world who is suffering from these situations, who lost mother. So my mind was blocked on that time. Not only mine, my brothers and my papas. uh, we three just stuck in that situation only. We don't know what to do next. Still I'm not able to accept it. But yeah, it's a reality what we are going to do. It's a reality. We have to accept it. My mom is not in this world right now. I'm not able to accept. I just think ki my mom went somewhere far from us. Actually, she was suffered from ILD disease, which is interstitial lung disease. We can't cure it. This is the main drawback of this disease. वो कहते हैं ना, हम चाहकर भी कुछ कर नहीं सकते. एंड ये ऑपरेशन करना है तो पहले ही करते थे हम. पर उसका कुछ चांस नहीं है. हमें तो लंग ट्रांसप्लांटेशन ही करना पड़ेगा. एंड ऑल्सो वी ट्राइड फॉर लंग्स ट्रांसप्लांटेशन, बट दैट्स अ 50-50 चांस. पहले तो लंग्स मिलता नहीं है. वैसे लंग्स मिल भी गया ना तो फिर ऑपरेशन 50-50 चांस है. वैसे रेयरली बच भी गए ना तो फिर मैक्सिमम 1 ईयर. उनका जो लाइफ काउंट है 1 ईयर का ही होगा मैक्सिमम. वेरी रेयर वो भी. वैसे लंग्स तो वैसे मिलेगा नहीं. जैसे पॉलिटिशियन या फिर वेरी रिच पीपल हो, उनके लिए चांसेस है. मे बी आई एम नॉट श्योर कि पक्का मिल जाएगा. मे बी. बट ऐसा जो डिज़ीज़ है ना, एक बार आ गया तो बस कुछ भी हो सकता है. आजकल कैंसर भी ट्रीट हो रहा है. पहले पता चल गया था कैंसर सब कुछ ट्रीटमेंट है. पर ये जो लंग्स इंटरस्टिशियल डिसीज़ है, इसका कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. सिर्फ मेडिकेशन में हमें उस प्रोसेस को स्लो रख सकते हैं. जैसे कि पूरा फैल ना जाए, मतलब स्लो करके, जैसे कि जल्दी से फैल ना जाए, जैसे स्लो कर सकते हैं. वैसे हमारे जो मेडिकेशन में थी मम्मी, तो वो 3 साल तक रही. अदरवाइज द पर्सन हु इज़ हैविंग दिस ILD, they just live only for 3 to 6 months. But in our situation, हमने स्ट्रिक्टली मेडिकेशंस फॉलो की है. एक दिन भी नहीं छोड़ा है. जैसे कि we took all the medicines and we also gave her O2 in night and in evening. Whenever she wants, we give O2. Means we give O2 with the oxygen concentration. So yeah. In last stage, we didn't realize it's the last stage. We just went to a hospital for a regular checkup because she got a fever for a couple of days. शिवरिंग भी था उनको. फीवर जब आता है तो टाइमिंग में आया था. तो हमें लगा कि जैसे उस टाइम मलेरिया का चक्कर था, तो फिर हमें लगा मलेरिया का कुछ अटैक हो गया होगा, तो एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं हॉस्पिटल में जाके. तो गए तो उन्होंने कहा 2 दिन एडमिट करो, बूस्ट करेंगे मेडिसिन में, फिर चले जाना घर. वैसे हमने सोचा. फिर एक दिन एडमिट किया. सो सारे मेडिकेशंस, कुछ भी मेडिसिन काम नहीं कर रहा था उनके ऊपर. उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा ICU में रखते हैं, CPAP मशीन रखेंगे, वो रखेंगे करके सब कुछ किया, पर कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ लास्ट मिनट में. पर लास्ट मिनट तक वो बात कर रही थी हमसे. जब तक उनको अनकॉन्शियस वाला इंजेक्शन लगाना है, तब तक वो सबको देख कर बात कर रही थी. तो फिर उन्होंने इंजेक्शन लगा दिया. बस उसके बाद कुछ नहीं हुआ. वेंटिलेटर रख दिया था. आई डोंट वांट टू रिकॉल दैट सिचुएशन अगेन. Actually, what we are not able to accept it. Still, I'm not able to accept it. We think only my mom went somewhere far from us. That's it. But it's a reality. We have to accept it. But my mind is not capable for accept it. So this is what happened in January. After that, I didn't uploaded anything on my social medias. I still now I rarely use Instagram also. I just saw Instagram feeds, that's it. And also some of my friends share some reels on my chat and I saw that only. That's it. This is how my life is going now. So now from last week most of my friends, family, papa, brother all are telling that keep yourself busy, keep doing your YouTube videos. So I thought, okay, I have to do something to keep myself busy and tired. First of all, tired because I'm not able to sleep properly. Not only me, my brother also not able to sleep properly. After 2 months, I started my exercise to keep myself tired, to get some proper sleep. And now I have to do something to keep myself busy. So this is the situation I came through and still going through with that. But still I'm planning to make some videos for my YouTube and Instagram. Hope you guys will support me like before how you gave. Thank you for that. You all gave me a super support. Some comments are coming but I'm not in that situation to reply it properly. So from now onwards, I'm going to reply all the comments. So in these 3 months, I had a minus subscriber count up to 300 to 400. I lost my subscribers also, but yeah, it's okay cause they didn't know what the situation is. In upcoming video, you will get lots of product reviews, applications like that. So yeah, thank you. Bye bye. Meet you on next video.